How to reset forgot Snapchat password. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Log into your account, then click on your profile located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings located on top right corner of your screen. After clicking on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Password. After that, click on Forgot Your Password. You can reset through phone or email. I'm clicking on email, then add email and submit it. As you can see, Snapchat sends you a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. And then you're good to go. That's how you reset Forgot Snapchat password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.